guys, we were selling the pound on Friday, guys. We hit a target on Friday, and now we've had the Iran news, and due to that, guys, we had a big move. The AI guys was buying this as a minor correction, and guess what, guys? It was wrong, and we were right. Okay, guys. So the AI failed in that respect, but it did mention if we break below this, guys, we will be going to 1.1460, and we did touch the target. So there's that, guys. So I'm going to get rid of all of these drawings. And guys, before I remember, guys, I will also be discussing my indicator, the entry indicator, which will help us take trades. But before that, guys, let's do analysis. So guys, uh, let's take a screenshot for the AI. So the AI is right now doing multi-time frame analysis, so we will be using multi-time frame for it, guys. Let's do a 15-minute screenshot as well. So once we've done that, let's get rid of all of these and now enter the new screenshots. Here we go, it's loading. Execute multi-agent synthesis. And guys, we are back here in the chart. In my opinion, guys, not in my opinion, I guess it should be obvious to everyone, guys. We are bearish right now as long as we are below 1.34520, guys. We are bearish, but I would also keep an eye out. I am not eye out on 1.34035, guys, and because I would expect this support here to act as resistance. And guys, my first target is we are already at that target. So guys, not an entry area, for God's sake, a profit taking area. So don't go into that. And guys, my next target would be 1.32953. Okay, guys. So let's keep it simple. As long as we are below 1.34035, guys, we are bearish, and we will be seeing 1.33423. And guys, we will be after that, guys, we will be seeing 1.32953. And guys, if you break above this, I expect a minor correction till 1.34520. That would not make me bullish, but I would be trading a correction. So guys, let's discuss the indicator. So guys, what this indicator does is it gives you entries and tells you when to enter. Okay, guys. So I'm going to scroll down to the pound USD. So the pound USD, we are short. I'm going to enter the price. It's 1.34035, guys. Okay, guys, we have this selling zone right now. So if we want to increase this zone, we will uh, increase the ATR, because right now on the pound I would like a much bigger zone. And guys, my target would be, let's enter two targets here, 1.33423, and guys, my target two would be 1.32953. Okay, guys, it will wait for the price to come back into the zone, and then it will start trading itself, and it will also provide SL, etc., and everything else as well. So, and remember, guys, it will be trading on the 5-minute charts. So there's that. So let's check what the AI is doing right now. What the AI is saying. Okay, consensus reached, matrix calculated. Of course, it's bearish. Target 1, 1.330, target 2, 1.3250, the invalidation zone 1.3460, counter bias target 1.3500. Okay, now it's also giving us a bit of fundamentals. The fundamental backdrop is strongly bearish, driven by a risk of event in the stock market. AIU that is causing a fight to safe haven dollar. This USD is confirmed by falling gold prices and the primary force pushing pound growth. So guys, fundamentally it sucks. It's giving the wrong information because I trained it to be a technical trader. So what I will be doing, I will be trading a separate AI, training a separate AI on the fundamental factors. So till we have that, guys, uh, let's paste this here. Let's see, the AI is selling from 1.3460, which 460. Okay, which is kind of this area. I agree with the AI because we are bearish as long as we are below this. I used the middle zone to make a faster entry. It did not do that, and its target one is 1.330, which is also correct in my opinion. It's the same, almost the same as our first one. And the second target is, guys, 1.3250. Okay, I agree with that as well. It's almost the same. The two targets are the same. And guys, the counter bias trend target would be 1.350. I also agree with that. If we break above this, we will be going to 1.350. No doubt about that. So let's draw this as well. I agree with the AI on this. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And see you guys tomorrow. Also, I guess I didn't modify the target. I did. Yes, I did. The targets are there. So let's hide the drawings. Yep, the targets are working. The first target is 1.33423. Next target is 1.332953. Okay, guys. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And see you guys tomorrow.